People have the impression that Earls girls are uneducated, pretty girls with not much going on.
This is probably not going to be what you expect, but a stereotype that I've heard of women that work at Earls is that they are beautiful, intelligent women, and that they are people that you want to be around. If we could just read a leadership book and that would make everybody leaders, it would be very easy, but leadership is a choice.
Being a leader means to show up and be responsible and to help others.
Being a leader to me looks like someone who's there to be supportive.
It's up to us all the time to choose leadership and to choose to be a leader in a situation. That's when we're really starting to see this momentum grow, and I think that's when we're unlocking the potential that we have in people.
I feel like it actually pushes me more out of my comfort zone in the leadership role to be a mom, because there's no manual. So every day it's waking up and realizing, how can I be better than yesterday?
I really realized how much of an impact you can have on people is when you're actually leaving a store. And a lot of times you take for granted that you've actually impacted and you've actually affected people in the moment. There's been so much reward come out of that, with people saying, hey, I learned so much about myself. And that's not something that you can say at just any job.
You know, you get to help encourage them and help them find their dreams, whether it's with Earls or whether it's not with Earls, but just being able to help guide them is a pretty special job.
For any woman starting out at Earls, I would definitely advise to just have confidence.
It's okay to get frustrated and it's okay to feel stressed out. And all of those things are okay, and at the end of the day, you're going to come out a stronger person for it.
When you're okay with who you are, I know that is when you are your best self as a leader.
Earls girls are fun,
Caring,
Strong,
confident.
bold women who want to make a difference and make a mark on the world.